How to convert USDT to GBP on Coinbase. So head over to your Coinbase, and then once you are there, you can see we are going to be heading over to the swap option, and then we basically have the option to convert from one crypto to another. So this is actually pretty simple, and you can utilize this option as well. And that's how you can convert USDT to GBP on Coinbase. If you cannot convert to GBP, you can convert to any local currency. That is going to be helping you guys out. So sometimes Great Britain pound is not available, and for that particular reason there could be some distress among people, and they're just curious to learn. So make sure to use the swap option, and you need to add your crypto. And yeah, so I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. That's how you can convert USDT to GBP on Coinbase.